welcome back to my channel, and in case you haven't guessed already, this week we're going to be getting on with the Audi. Unfortunately, I'm going to be starting the job outdoors, but it's not too bad because it's actually quite a nice day today. Let's go outside and take a look at the damage. So this is the Audi, and it's an Audi A1. It's a 1.4 TFSI Sport, and as you can see, the vehicle has seen a lot better days. So I have no idea how the vehicle's ended up in this state, but what I do know is it's going to be very interesting to repair, especially that sill. I'm wanting to get on with this job pretty soon, so I've started my search for parts already. I managed to get a second-hand door, a brand new wing, a brand new bumper and a brand new grille. Next I need to get the headlight, but they're pretty pricey brand new, so I'm holding out for a second-hand one. Once I get a headlight, I'll be able to build the car up with all the parts and make sure everything fits properly. Before I do all that, I'm going to have to strip the vehicle down, but first I want to have a look at this door and sill and see just how bad this damage is. So that's not good. It looks tight at the bottom. It's probably going to need pulling out before the door comes off. As you can see inside, it's pretty rancid. Looks like it's belonged to a farmer or someone in plant, or even a young bird that mucks out hosses. I don't know how anyone's put the backside on that seat. Disgusting. Well, I've been and got all the tools out, and I suppose it's time to start the strip down. So we've had a shower. It decided it was going to throw it down on me. Got the tools under shelter and I'm just waiting for it to pass. And I have to say that didn't take very long at all. Right, let's get cracked on then. So I'm just going to quickly strip this door down before I take it off. It'll be a lot more easier stripping it down while it's on rather than messing around trying to strip it when it's off. So I have no idea how to strip this door, never stripped one before, so I'm just going to work it out as I go. I've seen that there's a Torx under there, so that can come out first. Handle, so that's something that gets pulled, so it's going to need to be strong there, so there's more than likely going to be some screws behind here. Be careful not to break that lower clip on there like I have. So I've just found another one under here, and that's a 25 Torx. Well, over here, another one. So I've just unclipped this out of here, and there's also another screw there. So we've got a problem. That A pillar is knocked in at the bottom, and also that lower hinge is knocked up, so it's not allowing the door to come down on the upper hinge. As you can see, there's a gap there. So what I'm going to have to do is pull that A post out at the bottom, probably have to apply some heat, and then pull that lower hinge down slightly as it comes out. But I'm going to save that for another video. So the next video I do on this vehicle will be all the panelling up. I'll repair that A post, get the door fitting properly, and repair that sill, get the wing fitting, front bumper, the headlight, basically get it all panelled up ready for paint. Something else I got done this week is I managed to repair the BMW E30. So you'll see I've had quite a swap round in the yard. Here's some of the footage from when we moved the camper van. So if you remember, my reasons for why I couldn't get on with the T25 camper van was because the BMW E30 was stuck on the top drive. Now I've got the E30 fixed and out the way, I could pull the T25 up onto the top drive so I could get the fuel tank out of it. For those of you that don't know, I've been doing a Golf GTI engine conversion on my T25 camper van, and I need it up on the top drive to finish the job off.
Audi tow truck. Uh-oh. What's going to happen first? Fall off the jack? Possibly. Most likely, definitely. Uh-oh. Oh no no no! Holy shit!
Good job you weigh about 18 Clarence. You just have to lean on it.
More like 20.
You know. Nearly there. Hey? Yeah, I know, it's brought half the edge of it, hasn't it? So a few of you will be glad to know, at long last, I've finally got the T25 camper van up on the top drive so I can complete the Golf GTI engine conversion. We've removed the old diesel tank out of the T25 already. I purchased a brand new petrol fuel tank from Just Campers and it came the next day. So that's it for this week. I got a lump done on the Audi, fixed the BMW E30 and moved the camper van. With all that out the way and the weekend finally here, it's time for me to go out and have some fun on the bike. I hope you've all enjoyed the video and I'll see you in the next one.